So this is a pergola that we've been working on for maybe going on 6 years maybe that they purchased this house, and the pergola was really damaged. Like, all the top was corroded, and we worked on it a couple of times, just patching here and there, and this time we did take off a bigger chunk. But it's interesting how this layout is right here. The house is facing northwest, I guess, so they get the sun. You can see it back there in the summertime when it's high above. They will always have some shade back here because they've got, even without this pergola, they've got this 4-foot overhang that gives this area in particular a nice area to get away from the sun. And with the pergola, I mean, yeah, they've got a really nice spot. It is kind of damp sometimes because they don't get too much of a breeze going through here, but I really like the way they did that, where they did the overhangs, 4-foot overhangs. These guys right here, that's like 4 foot, and it goes all the way around the house. And this is our true trim, already primed, and it was very dirty. It had that mold growth growing on it, and wiped it down and primed and painted. This is the old stuff right here, and as you can see, it's like really coming apart. That's cedar right there, but that's probably when they first built the pergola 20, 30, maybe even 40 years ago. But yeah, that's how this little project is coming along.